Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to solve problem number 31. Find the resistance across the terminal X and Y. So whenever you see this problem, you can understand here the current flows in R1 and it comes to R2 and it flows through the short circuit. So whenever you have a resistor in parallel to short circuit, current will not flow in this R2, it flows only across short circuit only. The reason behind is current I is equal to V by R. So current will try to flow only where there is low resistance. So current flows only in this short circuit path. So that's what the direction of current. So if you want to understand this better, so let us take an example. You are in an bathroom. Okay, so here you are standing in the bathroom and you are taking the bath. So you have the drain hole here, and as soon as you pour some 10 liters of water, automatically water flows into the drain. So which way this we are going to call this as low resistance. So water doesn't flow upward direction. Okay, why? Because it is having an higher resistance. Okay, so generally when you take the bath, the water directly goes to the drain or the hole. Why? Because that is path offering low resistance. That's the main concept. So current and water both are same. Here I'm saying the example is nothing but water. Water is nothing but 10 liters of water discharge for a time of 1 second is called water discharge. Here the same water I'm going to link with the currents. 10 electrons flowing in a time of 1 second will develop a current of 10 ampere. So same, whenever the resistance is lower, then only the current will flow here. So now when you compare with this practical example, these two resistors are connected in parallel. Therefore, we are going to get first resistor, which is nothing but R1. So and you are going to get another resistor. Okay, whenever these two are connected in parallel, the formula is R2 into 0 divided by R2 plus 0. So numerator is 0, automatically this is how much resistor? 0 resistance. R is nothing but equal to 0. So this is the resistance connected between the terminal R XY. Therefore, current flows across R1 and the same current will try to form an closed path. I can say this is 0. So therefore, R XY is equal to R1 plus 0. So therefore, the total resistance between the nodes XY is how much now? Is R1 ohms. This is the process of solving the problem. So hope the resistance connected between X and Y is just only R1. So R1 short circuit to a resistor will be generally equal to an short circuit. Okay. So as far this concept is concerned, just remember short circuit parallel to a resistor or will also be equal to an short circuit. So therefore RXY is nothing but R1 plus 0. The answer is R1. Hope you're able to understand. If you understand my logic, please like the video, share the same problem with your friends, and if you have any doubts, let me know in comment section. And if you're watching the channel for the first time, subscribe to the channel with the name KV Tulasi Ram. This is kindly support this type of free channel for the development of students as well as for the faculty. Yours obediently Ram.